Hello, my name is Kathleen. Listen, I am a massage therapist and this is my tutorial on using TikTok. So let's go through my homepage. So on my homepage you can see my name, my screen name, the number of videos, the number of followers, the people I'm following, the number of people who have liked any of my videos, and then we can go into this is how you edit your profile, and then it does link. It links to your YouTube account and your Instagram account. You can also put a short description of who you are, and then here are the last 8 videos. So in the bottom of the screen there's a home screen, which is the screen. Discover, which is you can search. This is the button to record a video. This is how we can see our interactions, and then there's the me section. So if we look on the inbox, let's look on the inbox. So we can see this is all activity, or we can separate it out into either likes or comments or mentions. So likes just shows you people who have liked the video. Comments is the important one. That's what you see, people who have commented on your video and commented on things you've commented on. So this is the interaction. I talk a little bit later in the class about how I think the majority of it should be interaction. You leave comments, you reply to the comments people leave on your videos. And then mentions, so this is other people kind of leaving my name and giving me a message on videos that they have seen. So this is like the aunt in me. I mention do this to my niece all the time if I see something that there's funny on TikTok that I want her to see. And then just the list of all the people that have followed you. You can just see the people that have followed me in like the last hour, so you can just see your followers. Okay, so then let's go back to the home page. Okay, so this is just a random person's video. So this is the toggle. We can I talk to. So this is, you can toggle between following, which is a list, all the videos from people that you follow, and then the For You page are videos that TikTok's algorithm says that you might like. So this, I'm actually following this account. This is wonderful. It is the Carnegie Mellon Natural History Museum. There's scientists there and making funny TikToks. So this is great that we are actually seeing this, because this is something I really want to focus on, that what I'm doing, I'm not the only person that's doing it. So if you do content-based videos, you won't be the other person either, because obviously if the Natural History Museum guy can come and just saying funny jokes, he can get 33.2 thousand likes. There's not the kind of audience that the people who don't like TikTok would like to tell us. Those people would like to tell us it's all teenagers. They don't care. They won't care about our content. But obviously, if this historian could tell funny jokes about slugs and really get a following, there's an interest beyond just people dancing and cute girls posting. So that's really great that we saw this. Let's look in Discover. So the Discover is how you can look at the different things which are really on the top that TikTok would like you to see. So you can kind of get an idea of where the popular videos are, and kind of just the latest on the more popular side of videos. But what I like to do is strictly content, and I focus on post-plastic surgery massage, so I strictly do content on post-plastic surgery massage. So you will see on my account, mostly what I do is a video, and we'll kind of look at this one. So this is my video on Brazilian butt lift. I have a tip where you can carry a yoga mat, and then it has 524.8 likes. And as you can see, it's just me in front of the camera, expressive face, kind of an upbeat voice, and a quick tip, and we're in and out in 15 seconds. So you can also see I'm using a lot of hashtags. BBL, Brazilian butt lift, liposuction, cosmetic surgery, plastic surgery. These are the hashtags that I've picked that I really like, that I want to use over and over again. And this is really interesting. I have done over 100 videos, and most of them are on the same subject. So when you click on liposuction as a topic, most of the top videos are mine. So this is what I'm talking about when I say, like, make a content library. So if someone, and it's already started happening because I've gotten way too many follows for the amount of videos that I'm putting out. I put out one 15-second video a day, but I'm getting a lot of people following me, and I think it's because I'm just making consistent content in the same topic area. So you can see there's other people that are also, you know, perhaps making a joke, a funny video about liposuction, but I'm really there most of the time for the hashtag that I pick, and this one being liposuction. All right, so what else do I want to look at? So this was, I used to do this before I noticed that you could put a white background. So you'll see this, I was trying to make the topic here, but it's kind of blending in, especially this one, it kind of blends in with the yellow. So then I saw that you can make, have a white background on your words. So now I'll put on each video like a tiny one sentence, just a few words about the topic of the video. And then so people who are seeing, like when you look at the liposuction one and you see all the different videos of mine, you can kind of get an idea of what I'm going to be talking about in each video. So that's my quick tutorial. The other thing is that people really can see where you are, and they really are interested in you, the client. So let's go back, and I'll go to the top 3 dots on the top. I have a professional account, and so we can see the analytics on my professional account. I talk a little bit about analytics too. So this is some just background information that you can see if you have this professional account. So what does it show you? How many video views over the last 7 days, over the last 28 days. So you can see my videos were seen 82.3 thousand times. On the 6th, you can see the followers, and then it tells you, you can kind of get to see over time how many followers. And this is over the last 28 days, the number of followers. You can see how many profile views. So this is what I'd like to show you, is the profile views. So this is the number of people that are going to see my profile. They like my video, but they want to see me. And on the profile, you can link to your Instagram, you can link to your YouTube. So these people really can find out more about you and follow you in different places. And like I said, I got a contact, my first one just last week, from a lady in Los Angeles. She had surgery, wants to come down and see me, and she said, quote, "Your TikTok is dope." So I like having a dope TikTok. Let's look at some other things you can see. Here's the content, and it shows you, like, I've done 6 posts in the last 7 days, and it shows you the average view, 1.2, 1.9. This is a very popular one, 162. What are the other ones? 118, 1,200 views, 1,200 views. So that's kind of the number of views I'm getting. These are over time, the trending video. So this doesn't necessarily have to be a video I made in the last week, but it'll show me how many views I got in the last week. So I made the Brazilian butt lift one over a week ago. It's still getting 112,000 views a week, and the liposuction one with the belly button one, still getting 36,000 views a week. And I feel like these older videos that are still getting views are because of my new videos and people following me and looking at more of my content, and also because of those hashtags. And then we can look at followers. So my followers, it'll show you it's 80% female, 20% male, and it'll show you which parts of the world your followers are coming from. and then their activities. So this time is not any of our time zone. You'll have to figure out what your time zone is, but you can get an idea of from your followers, when do they most look at TikTok. So this would be great. Do the transition from your time zone to the time zone that TikTok keeps. And then this is kind of an idea if you want to get a little bit more advanced with it, what time of day is the best to post. What day of the week are they looking most, but more particularly one time a day. Because what I do is I just decided if I was really going to focus on TikTok and make it work and give it a good try, a good honest try. It's a free service, so I need to really get as much organic reach off of it as I can. I post one video a day most days of the week, like 6 to 7 days of the week. And this is interesting. It's other videos that your followers watched and other sounds that your followers listen to. I talk a little bit about in the rest of the class how other people are using sounds and not using their own voice. I really prefer, I want clients to build trust in me. It's about building trust and forming a relationship with me. So if you want to form a relationship with people and use this app to build trust, I feel like it really has to be you talking in front of the screen. They can see your face, they can hear your voice, they can form trust in you. It shows a lot of authenticity. So that was a little tour of my TikTok. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some value. Thanks.